So, removing my motor from the motor generator set that I had, we can now look at the motor and strip it down. So, first of all, levering these tags away from the commutator end plate so that I can pull it off. There we have it. I've got two little brushes. These are going to rub on my commutator to allow electricity to flow from the wires, which are fixed, into the rotating commutator. The commutator won't come out on its own because there's a magnetic field holding it in place. So if I push the armature, I can pull it out. Now, if we look in there, we can see two magnets, one north and one south. Don't know which one's which, doesn't matter, but they're magnets. They're hanging onto my screwdriver, and that won't come off unless I give it a good shaking. So we have two permanent magnets. My armature is going to spin in that permanent magnetic field, and as it rotates, the magnetic interaction will cause movement. My commutator segments, I've got 1, 2, 3 segments, and as electricity flows through one segment and out through another, it will cause a magnetic field around the armature, which will interact with the permanent magnet of the field coils, field shoes, and that will cause a rotation. So, how is it connected? Well, I'll put some stills with this particular video, but essentially each set of windings has got two ends for each loop, and each loop pair are joined together on a connection. There's 1, 2, 3 connections. So the setup is connected in parallel in delta, and if those of you to go on and learn a little bit more about star and delta connections, well, you've had some experience of a very small and very effective delta connected DC machine. So now I've got the little task of putting it back together. I'll do that without the film show going, otherwise I'll probably make a mistake.